In our previous video, we discussed how our CDV vacuum chambers help minimize human error.
Yes, that was insightful. However, I'm now curious about the duration of a tightness test. How long does one typically last?
Absolutely, James. The duration depends on the chosen method. For an immersion leak test, such as one following the ASTM D3078 standard, it's quite quick. Leaks become visible almost immediately once the desired vacuum level is reached. Including sample handling, the whole process usually takes under 5 minutes.
I see. And what about dry tests for products containing liquids?
For dry tests, especially with ASTM D5094 standards, the duration is longer because we observe for any leakage. The standard suggests maintaining vacuum for at least 10 minutes. However, for very viscous liquids or complex container closures, we recommend extending the test duration.
Got it.
There are also more extended tests. For pharmaceuticals, we use a colored dye method compliant with ISO 8871 Part 5, involving vacuum exposure for 10 minutes followed by 30 minutes submerged at atmospheric pressure. So, a full test could take about an hour, including sample inspection. And then there's the altitude simulation test per ASTM D6653, where we adjust atmospheric pressure to simulate transportation conditions, requiring at least 60 minutes at the specified altitude for meaningful results. To dive deeper into these methods, visit our YouTube channel. We have detailed videos explaining how each ASTM test operates.
That helps, but I'm still a bit unclear about the specific purposes of each ASTM standard. Could you explain more about when and why each is used?
Certainly. Stick with me for our next video where I'll break down the ASTM standards in detail. This video is just one part of a 20-video series tackling the key questions about purchasing a leak test chamber. Check the link in the description to access the full series and enhance your understanding significantly.